This is a patient, 24 years old. He is from Melbourne. When I lift it up, this is the quadrant taken up. And this is the story of a 24 years old guy from China and have settled down to Melbourne. He took the flight from Melbourne and came to GLOJAS to do the smart beard transplant. Today is already day 5. Patient have done a very good smart graft care, and now he's going back to Melbourne with a French beard. Day 5, the donor area already healed underneath the hair. Let's have a look. This is the area, the donor area was harvested, unshaven technique. This is the upper margin, this is the lower margin. This is the mole that patient had this. So now the donor area already healed. I lift it up. This is the half of the donor area, and I lift it down. This is covered. Now I lift the whole thing down. The whole upper hair able to cover, and inside here the donor area is healing. He's completed day 5 smart graft care. We can see the design area and all the graft in the right position. We are very happy with the density and all the graft, the angle and direction is going to give him a really good beard which is going to look natural. This is the Y area. This is the goatee on the left side. This is the left mustache. This is the phytrum, right mustache, right goatee, and this is the beard, and underneath here also we are recovered. Day 5 he has healed very well. There's no bleeding, there's no swelling. It looks very natural, and now he's ready to go back to Melbourne with the French beard.